Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this unboxing video the unboxing of the Lencent USB plug charger with one USB Type-C, 3 USB ports, one-way socket extension, 5-in-1 USB output plug, extender for household appliances, iPhone, smartphone, tablets, ideal for home office, 3,250 watts, so we can now bring the device into the frame. This is what we have on screen. The box from the top gives us information regards to what the product is really about. USB socket in many languages. Side, the back, the bottom, right. Let's now get into the box itself. Comes in a nice packet. We also have an instruction manual. Do we need this? Not for the moment, but when we do, we can move that to the side. And here is the star of the show. This is it, really. 3 USB ports, 1 USB Type-C, one-way socket extension. We can charge 5 devices using one device. Really amazing. So, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next unboxing tutorial video. Thanks for now.